So my name's Catherine and we're at Boskerris Hotel in Carbis Bay, St Ives. I fell in love with this area moving from Australia. I was sort of after a similar sort of laid back coastal environment to call home, and I stumbled across this incredible hotel and it just ticked all of the boxes. You've got that outdoor adventure side if you want it. You can be out surfing, walking, running, hiking. And then in St Ives, you're absolutely spoilt for choice for restaurants, and that's why I love it. One of the things we do for our Max Adventures guests is provide a complimentary packed lunch to take with them, be it on their walk or their journey home. So at Boskerris Hotel, we like all of our guests to feel welcome and feel like it's a home away from home. In terms of our location for our Max guests, it's brilliant because we're right on the coastal path and you can go either direction and pick it up. And it's just a nice place, I suppose, to come at the end of the day and sink into a bath after a full day of walking and exploring. I think Max and Boskerris Hotel complement each other well because we've both got quite aligned brand values. We're very much about connecting to the natural beauty of Cornwall. Max Adventures offers that sort of authentic, high-quality adventure, and I just think both ethoses sort of align well together and complement each other in what we both do.